how to screen record on a Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to take a screen recording on your Mac, simply tap on the Command, Shift and 5 keys on your keyboard together and you will see a menu on the bottom of your screen. So select if you want to capture the entire screen or capture selected window or capture selected portion, and further tap on record entire screen or record selected portion of your screen. You can choose any of the preferred option there and then tap on the options option and choose to save the location such as your desktop or documents or clipboard, etc. You can also set timer to none, 5 second, 10 second, and you can enable microphone audio if you want to capture voice too. Finally, tap on the record button, and with this, the recording will begin. To stop, you can simply tap on the stop button in the menu bar on the top right, or press the Command plus Control plus ESC keys to stop the recording, and with this, the recording will be saved to your desired location. So this is how you can screen record on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.